If you are into CPA affiliate marketing, you sure would have heard about the Peerfly network. Peerfly is an affiliate network which pays publishers based on cost per action. Usually, big affiliate networks like Peerfly don't like to welcome affiliate marketers who are just starting out on their platform. They will prefer instead experienced marketers who will promote their offers and drive huge traffic. So, how can anyone as a beginner get approved on Peerfly? Here are 7 tips that will help speed up your Peerfly affiliate approval as a new affiliate. For a start, you need to have a full functioning website or a blog not less than 3 to 6 months old. If you don't have the money to start running a website, paying for the domain name and hosting account, make sure to check out the free video course on how to create a website with free domain and hosting to grow your online business. That short course will get you started on a website and you can later scale up if you choose. If you have a full functioning website or a blog, head over to Peerfly and apply for an account. After applying for an account, you will get an information about your affiliate manager in the first email after submitting your application form. Now, if Peerfly sends you that email, you can try to contact your affiliate manager even before he contacts you. If you can't make a call, try to send an email or a Skype message saying that you just applied for a publisher account and you are ready to start taking action. Usually, when applying for an affiliate CPA network, you have to provide an accurate telephone number because a support team might contact you to verify if you are the right person before your account is approved. If a member from the support team happens to call you, make sure to answer honestly all the necessary information that they might need from you. If you are not willing to go through all those steps just to get an account with Peerfly or any other affiliate CPA network, then you really shouldn't bother applying. Having said that, there are also newbie-friendly, reliable CPA networks to get you instantly approved. You really don't have to settle with just one CPA network anyway. Try to get your account approved with at least 3 CPA networks so that you can compare the quality of offer, the CPA rate, the conversion rates, and so on, which will later help you in the long run. So, how much can you really make with these newbie-friendly CPA networks? Well, in my opinion, I think it all depends on your skills and experience of promoting products. Some expert CPA marketers are making up to $3,000 a day with just these newbie-friendly CPA affiliate networks. So the advice here is to first apply to get into 2 or 3 CPA networks for publisher and gain some experience working with the CPA industry. Then you may gradually, if you want, start with other CPA affiliate networks for higher achievements. Now, I will be dropping this list of newbie friendly CPA links below this video if you are interested. And with all that, I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video tip.